Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming power and network so the process won't stop. With the iPhone plugged in or over 50% battery, join a reliable Wi-Fi network. Open Settings, tap General, then Software Update. You'll see the pause, download, or install. Tap Resume or Download and Install to kick the process back into motion. Doing this prevents partial installs and file corruption, which is why we avoid cellular and low battery during the next steps. Once you've tried resuming, make sure there's enough storage. The update may pause if space is low. Free space quickly by offloading unused apps or removing big media items in Settings right arrow iPhone storage. If the update still won't progress, perform a force restart. Press volume up, volume down, then hold the side button until the Apple logo appears, because a reboot clears stalled system processes. After the restart, go back to Software Update and tap Resume so the installer can continue cleanly. Allow the installation to finish. Don't interrupt power or Wi-Fi because that can leave the system unstable. Once the iPhone restarts, verify success in Settings right arrow General, right arrow about to confirm the new version. If the update keeps failing, connect to a Mac or PC and use Finder or iTunes to update or restore. This recovers the device without relying on the over-the-air process. If you must restore, back up first so you don't lose personal data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.